Joining us now is Tim Crowe, the CEO and co-founder of WrxFlo. Tim, you're very welcome. Can you just start by telling us what inspired you to start the company?
So Jesse, I worked in Dell for many years, and when I was working in Dell, we had lots of dispersed data in the process. So we did the best we could with that. So every hour on the hour used to be on production lines looking at how we performed, and we had a team of people pulling that together. But my frustration was it wasn't in real time. So I could do a lot more if I had real-time data. So that's when I made a decision that one day I was going to set up WrxFlo to address that problem. And here I am today.
And working for such a big company such as Dell, did that inform or inspire you when it came to, the team members and the structure of the company that you wanted to establish?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we learned a lot in Dell. It was like a university in itself. So it was one of the big challenges, stepping from a big company into starting everything up yourself. Day one, you're the admin, you're the HR, you're finance, you're tech, you're data analyst. But it helped me put structure on the company to focus on how to set up each of the functions and how to build a team and to look for good people. So we had all that training from Dell, so I put all of that into practice in WrxFlo and got us to where we are now.
Yeah, it's incredible. Tell us about some of the success stories, because you mentioned the importance of the real-time data. How influential has that been for your customers?
Absolutely. I mean, the thing about our customers, the most important thing is to listen to what they're saying. And I can very easily put myself in their shoes because I have been in their shoes. So we listen to what they're saying, and we don't build anything unless our customers look for it. So we don't build something and hope that we're going to sell it. So we put a lot of focus on customers, on delivering value for them. So success to us is value delivered to our clients, and all of our clients are doing follow-on projects with us. So if my software developers say, oh, we've just deployed the software, I said, yeah, that's great, I expect that. But the result is the value, and that's what we focus on.
WrxFlo is revolutionising global supply chains by harnessing data to drive efficiency and cost reduction. Leading WrxFlo is Tim Crowe, co-founder and CEO. They connect and optimize data from various business systems, creating custom solutions that boost efficiency and save costs.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Tim Crowe. I'm CEO and co-founder of WrxFlo. So we're a digital transformation company, and we optimize supply chains and factories by maximizing the value of data that exists in the business in real time and implementing WrxFlo solutions. So we're based in Limerick, and we have a customer support center in Mumbai, and we just opened our customer support center in Beijing in April. So we're already operating globally. We're in Ireland, Europe, Asia, and the US. So with any business, we listen to our customers really carefully to understand the problems they're trying to solve. And with technology, their minds are blown with AI, VR, AR, all sorts of terms and technology that are out there, and they're getting confused. And their challenges are they've dispersed data, they need better information, they know software can give them a better process, but they're not sure how to do it, and that's where we come in. So our core product is we have a materials requirement planning solution. So when customer orders come in, we help procurement determine what components to buy, when to buy, and what to make, when to make. We take that and we auto-schedule the factory then. So we optimize the sequence based on the optimized output of the factory. And then we completely digitalize that process. So it's an entirely connected process from customer right through to the logistics. And it's all in real time. It updates. It's continuously looking at new orders, and it's continuously thinking. In one example, one of our customers in Beeger Delamont in the factory in Ennis, they have no supervisors. This system does the thinking for them, and they just follow exactly what it says. The benefits that we deliver are double digits around capacity, cost reductions, productivity improvement, and also significant improvements on delivering product on time to customers. Looking at how we're different, and I came from a background of running supply chains globally for Dell, and I suppose one of my challenges was the ERP systems and technology tends to be built for functionality. We build it with a big focus on value. We have, in the past, I would have put in software where I had to adapt my process to fit the software. We actually adapt our software to fit the best process. And then the other important thing is it's all in real time. A lot of systems tend to run overnight because they have a lot of processing power, so we run it live. Looking at the market's huge. It's growing very rapidly. There is a big demand across all industries for our solutions. So there is a very wide market there, and we're operating across sectors. Looking at the feedback of some of our customers, we have 10 out of 10 for service delivery, impressive system, let's keep and develop with value together. Some of these big name clients, we're deploying globally for a lot of these clients right now. Our sales, we're outbound, inbound, and we have partnerships with DMI, IBM and IMR. They're really important to us. And we use LinkedIn, our website, and we attend a lot of events. And going forward then, our strategies around building new partnerships, continue to do inbound, outbound, going global with our clients. So we have a lot of initiatives out there, and we're doubling revenue year on year. Okay, thank you.
Tim, congratulations on what you've achieved with the business. I'm curious, there's a lot of opportunity in front of you. How do you decide which markets to prioritize, because it's still a relatively young company?
Yeah, so I suppose we go global with our clients. So so we're working with clients that have multiple sites. So we go to those markets. I'm used to traveling the world for Dell, so I know a lot of these markets. So I lived in China, so that's a market that we're in. That's a market where we set up our office. So we're looking at where the growth is. So Asia, Europe, and the US, and we're looking then at if we get a presence there with our clients, that's then a reference site, and we build on that from there. So we get a lot of support then from Enterprise Ireland to do feasibility studies and investigate the market. So that's what we do.
Thank you.
Hi Tim, I'm curious about your AI-driven processes. Are you leveraging third-party AI, or is this all proprietary, in-house built?
We build all our software is built in-house, but we're working with IBM or have a lot of intelligence in that area. So we recently became partner with IBM. So up to now, we've been developing our own. We have very good expertise in software, data architecture, data analytics. But now we're with IBM, then we can enhance that. Like we can't do everything ourselves. We're going to have to plug in modules and look at what's there that can fit best with us. So we are looking at our partners, particularly IBM and others, to bring the technologies together.
Great, thank you very much, Tim.